Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I will do a tutorial about the burnishing technique by using markers. I'm using a super cheap brand which is the fake ho ho ho, and this one starts with the H, so it's ho ho ho. Let's get to the point. To burnish markers is very simple. The technique consists first of all in mixing two or more colors in order to create gradients. This allows us to mix the colors very well together. At the moment I'm giving a flat tone to the Sasuke's hair, and I will do the same thing to his brother Itachi. And then I will focus on this wholesome technique in the rest of the drawing. This black ink pen I'm using is the Snowman waterproof pen, and I bought it in a store near my house, and I don't know if you can get this pen in the web, but anyways, I will drop all the links of my art supplies in my description if you will need it. Always remember to give a shape to the colors, to divide the various areas of lights and shadows so as to have a clear result. Anyways guys, I will make another tutorial with this drawing, and I will use colored pencil up to the markers. So yeah, I'm splitting this drawing in part 1, part 2 and part 3 just to explain you in different tutorials what to do. As you can see, I'm giving a base up to my two characters. I'm doing the same thing on Itachi now, and let's start with the explanation of the burnishing technique. What you have to do is to start from a dark color, and while the marker is not yet completely dry, let's go and color it over or between the two selected colors by insisting until we get the gradient that satisfies us more. Surely you are wondering why the underlying color becomes so clear. The answer is this: alcohol is the color underneath. It makes it evanescent, then it creates a sort of gradient. That's why I prefer starting from a darker color, because I can better manage how light I want it to become. Dark colors are always very aggressive and difficult to control, so if for example we are using 3 colors, we use the dark one first, then the intermediate one, and then the lighter one. In some cases we can use grays or even lilac colors to color our skin, and then we color over it with a skin tone. This will help us to give to our drawing a coloring with more depth. Anyways guys, I have already created some other tutorials and reviews about markers and colored pencils and other stuff, so if you want to know more you can visit my playlist. In the coloring of the rocks you can better see how this technique works. On the market there is also a colorless marker that helps us to use this technique, so you can blend each color easily, but personally I am a fanatic of coloring and I prefer to use the old school method, because this way my eyes will hunt the colors better next times. Now I'm doing the outline of my characters with a leather color, and then I want to remind you to subscribe and to hit the bell to support me and to make my channel grow. Check out the description to find the materials I use, and see you next time with my next drawing. Take care of yourself. Ciao!